My favorite part of primary care is getting to know my patients and making them feel comfortable, because if they don't feel comfortable, then I won't be able to help them. I really want them to trust me so that they can tell me what's bothering them and that we can work on a treatment plan together. What I hope that patients get out of meeting with me is that they have someone that they can trust, that they can tell all their problems to, where they won't be judged, and that I'm going to really help them in the best way that I can. I really love when I meet a new patient for the first time and they tell me that they felt really comfortable and they ask me if I'll be their primary care provider, because then I know that they were able to talk to me and I was able to do my job, which is, again, to make them feel comfortable and make them feel like we're part of a team and that I'm on a team with them. I never want anyone to feel like they come in to see me and I just tell them what to do. I think people know themselves and they know what they're looking for, and I really love when people feel like I've listened to them and that we've come up with something that they're really comfortable with and even excited about when they're going to change their health.